So Google stock is going very badly these last days. As you can see in the chart, this is end of January. We reached a new all-time high at $155. Now we went down 50%, 14%, and we are like around $130. Why is it going so bad for Google? As you know, what drives the market since the beginning of 2023 is AI. AI. And Google, unfortunately, presented its Gemini AI. First, it was Bard, and it was not exactly the best AI out there. The first presentation was a disaster. Then they improved it, but it was still not as good as and hyped as ChatGPT. The second thing was very recent. It was the presentation of Google Gemini. All right, they decided to rename Bard into Gemini, and boy, I don't know if you saw these images, but it was all over the internet. It was a very bad buzz for Google. Every time you were asking for an image, for example, with a prompt, certainly here's a portrait of a founding father of America. As you can see, it represents every minority, but no white people. That was the first thing that kind of shocked people out there. The second image is even worse. Here's an image of a Viking. No comment, right? Sure, here's an image of a pope. So you get the idea. It caused such a outrage, even among minorities. Minorities were like, what the hell? What the hell is that? We don't need that. We don't need this stupid AI to defend our cause this way. This is ridiculous. And Google had to apologize and suspend the service. That doesn't help Google as a whole, because people are wondering what the hell is going on in Google Office. People are like, Google is a great company, no doubt about it. I mean, we all use Google. In fact, this video is on YouTube, which belongs to Google. And you probably using Google like 10 times a day. So it is a great company. But the thing is, people are wondering right now, are they able to come up with a competitive AI? That's the question. Microsoft has partnered and invested massively in OpenAI, $10 billion. And they just signed an agreement with the French company Mistral AI, another, it's kind of an open AI, you know? And they already releasing a product which is called Copilot, for which you have to pay a subscription in addition to the 365 plan, all right? So that means money for the company. Releasing an AI is great, but then you have to integrate it into your services to make money out of it. So that's the question. And people are not so sure about Google right now. So it's still a great company. I still own the shares. I don't have any intention of selling the shares. In fact, if I had cash, I would probably invest more, but it's a big company. People are more willing to put the money in dynamic company that innovate, like NVIDIA, for example, and even Meta attracts more investors than companies like Google, Apple, Tesla. All these companies are having very bad days. Google must really come up with a new version of Gemini very soon and very smart. And Google has to get away from this wokeism. This, there's a saying now, it's go woke, go broke. We can see it applied to a big company like Google. This is no joke. Google has to stop this madness. Otherwise, people might just give up on Google. They still have an edge. I mean, as I said, Google is still the go-to search engine. But, in tech, everything goes very quickly. And they could lose everything just within a year. Remember TikTok? How Meta just collapsed because of TikTok? It took TikTok a couple of years to become one of the biggest social medias out there. Make no mistake, the same kind of stuff could happen to Google. All right, thanks for watching the video. Please, if you liked it, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.